Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Literally, like the second after I hit the record button, I was like, for no reason, I was like, I'm gonna throw this card as hard as I can, because I did not expect it to. I'm sorry, I'm entertaining myself at this point. This box was sent by Eric. Okay, thanks so much, Eric. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Sometimes I miss like 6 in a row on those card throws, and sometimes I get them perfectly. It depends on the surface, right? Some surfaces are impossible because of the angle of the camera. But the video with the, well, maybe you guys have already seen it. I've got a compilation of missed card throws coming at some point. All right, there's the main deal there. It says ADV on it. I don't know that that's exactly what's in there, but we'll find out here. Is it? Oh, it is. It is. I finally am getting to look at this thing. So I have almost bought this for myself. This is the slip joint butcher. Which, I mean, it's one of the coolest it's one of the coolest modern traditionals that's available right now, as far as aesthetics go. Oh, pocket butcher, that's what it is. I gotta be honest with you guys, I don't know what the heck the steel is on this. I have no idea. I will link it down below because I'm almost certain that these are still available. Perhaps not, right? But it is a really cool modern traditional. Andre de Villers, of course, South African knife maker. Really nice. The way that they do the bolsters here and the scales. Let's take a look at this transition. It looks okay. I've had kind of like some back and forth result. This side's not quite as good as this side, but again, how well these fit together, right? When we're talking about bolster transitioning to scale material, it depends on what the material is. Some materials are more brittle, more difficult to work with, right? This, is it bone? I'm honestly not sure. I don't know those types of materials that well, right? But I do like the look of this a lot. And I love the larger blade with the oversized. I mean, it's, you know, kind of like if you've ever taken a look at the butcher or the tack butcher, right? They've got that big folder in there, which in this case is working as, I'm going to call it a nail nick. The blade is almost big enough to where you can kind of maneuver it out with one hand. I think closing it with one hand is fine, but I think if this were mine, I would open it with 2 hands. This is super cool. I love this. And it actually manages to feel almost like a full-size knife. This area right here, where you can kind of, you're supposed to put your finger. Look at this. This is interesting how he did this right here. Yeah. This is comfortable like this. Choking up, it's all right, right? I mean, I don't know how much I'm really going to need to choke up on a knife that doesn't have a lock, right? Let's measure it real quick. Where's my tape measure? There it is. Sorry, that thing is always getting misplaced. 6.75 inches overall with just maybe a hair under 3 inches. So it's just, but it doesn't lock, right? So a lot of places you might have a law that restricts you from carrying a knife that locks. This is one of the coolest non-locking. There's no mid-stop on this, really. It's just kind of snap here, snap here. I would have loved to see like a, you know, mid-stop and then boop, like this. It does feel good down here, definitely. And out here also feels great. This is a little loose. Yeah, a little bit loose in there. I wonder is there a way to adjust it? Gosh, it doesn't look like it. Yeah, I've got side-to-side play. I don't know. Yeah, just reporting on what I'm feeling here. I mean, this is obviously somebody's knife. Maybe they've been using it. I don't know that I see a way to adjust it. What's this code in here? Okay, this is from 2016. So it's been around a bit, right? I don't know if I mean, like, we're in 2021. The knife is 5 years old now. Doesn't look like there's a way to adjust it. If there was, I'm sure that blade plate could be eliminated, but perhaps it's been used. I don't really know. find out more information, and give you guys all of the details when I do the full review here in a few weeks. This is just an unboxing and first impressions. But in any case, I will link this knife down below. If it's available, I'll link it. Well, I'll link it either way, whether it is or is not available, so you guys can go check specs and stuff like that if you want to. But yeah, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.